Greetings from the Christian Conference of Asia to all those who are part of the special events of the National Council of Churches in the Philippines, the International Ecumenical Solidarity Gathering for Human Rights and Peace in the Philippines. It is very significant that the NCCP is organizing this event on the eve of the day before the United Nations High Commissioner on Human Rights will report to the UN Human Rights Council on the implementation of its October 2020 resolution on technical cooperation and capacity building for the promotion and protection of human rights in the Philippines. The people of the Philippines have been engaged in their struggle for human rights and human dignity for many years. There exists a growing struggle in other Asian countries also these days between authoritarian repressive forces and the people who are attempting to stand up for human rights and democracy. The human rights situation in many countries in Asia appear bleak as people are experiencing systematic violations of human rights. This is more evident these days when the world is struggling to escape from the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. As governments across the Asian continent make attempts to uproot fundamental freedoms, and when they have become more repressive, people are resisting to such move by various governments. The human rights situation in Asia presents a bleak picture as repression continues in manifold ways. We have many examples for such repressions, covert and overt ways of rejection of human rights, then introducing black laws or repressive methods to curtail the civil rights of those who are advocating for human rights. All these actions by various governments ignite mass protests in an unprecedented scale these days. People in several Asian countries experience enactment of black laws that threaten public freedoms, crackdown on mass protests in places like in Hong Kong, and then genocide in Myanmar, extrajudicial killings and attacks on government critics in the Philippines. While these and other abuses of power taking place, the churches in Asia express their solidarity with all those who are facing repression and violations of human rights. The CCA is committed to be in solidarity with the people in the Philippines and accompany them as they struggle against the continued deterioration of human rights in Asia, which will have disastrous consequences. Let us be guided by divine spirits in our struggle for the protection and promotion of human rights and peace with justice in Asia. Thank you.